In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Baby Shark Sing and Swim Party on PC. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and after that we need to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So what you need to do is go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it here, we are going to download it on another website. Go to the search bar, search for the game Baby Shark Sing and Swim Party and select the game. After that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €39.99 on Steam. But if you go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game Baby Shark Sing and Swim Party and select the game. After that what you can do is go to the sort by option over here and select price lowest first. And as you can see we have a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country. This is very important, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Once you have found a version which can be activated in your country, then select the game, and once you have opened the game page you will find out that we can already download this game for just €1.91 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So if you purchase this game, you will receive a Steam activation key, which you can use to activate this game within your Steam account and then download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Happy gaming, bye bye!